The challenge of laundry chores.
Laundry is a never-ending task. Forgetting a load in the washer or delaying folding can lead to extra work and even unpleasant odors. Busy schedules often cause laundry tasks to pile up, making the chore feel overwhelming. Finding a system that keeps your laundry on track can lighten your load and help you always have fresh clothes when you need them.
Automate with laundry scheduling.
Set recurring laundry times on your calendar or smartphone. Use digital tools to schedule laundry for days and times that fit your routine. By blocking off regular laundry slots, you form habits that prevent laundry from piling up. Automation ensures you start, transfer, and finish loads without forgetting, freeing up mental space for other tasks.
Smart reminders for every step.
Many apps and digital assistants let you program notifications to alert you when it's time to move clothes between washer and dryer, or when folding is due. Timely reminders help prevent forgotten wet clothes and wrinkled piles, keeping your laundry process efficient and stress-free.
Leveraging smart home devices.
Integrate smart plugs or appliances into your laundry routine. Some smart washers and dryers can send alerts to your phone when cycles finish. Smart plugs with scheduling features can even start machines automatically. By connecting your laundry setup to your smart home, you minimize manual checks and further simplify the process.
Tips for ongoing success.
You and adjust your routine as needed. Monitor how well your reminders and schedules work. If laundry still piles up, tweak your timing or notification methods. Consistency and flexibility are key. With automated scheduling, personalized reminders, and smart tools, laundry becomes a background task, letting you focus on the things you love.